Another topic we have is factoring quadratic expressions. So there are kind of specific steps you might follow to factor quadratic expressions. And actually what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do 2 for you. And I'm going to pick number 26 and, I don't know, number 28. So for 26, I'll do that down here. We've got 6x squared plus 36x plus 8. If I can take out a greatest common factor, I'm going to do that right away. So in this case, I'm going to take out a 6. I'm left with x squared plus 6x plus 8. So now that 6 just comes along for the ride, but I can kind of ignore it. So let's go ahead and multiply our first and last terms, 8x squared, and then write down our middle term. So we need things that multiply to 8x squared and add to 6x. So let's write down numbers that multiply to 8. Okay, I think I picked them all. I need them to add to 6. You better believe it's 2 and 4 make 6. So now, bring that 6 along for the ride, but you're going to rewrite x squared and plus 8. Those stay the same. You're going to split the 6x in the middle into 2x and 4x, because 2 plus 4 is 6. Now we're going to factor by grouping. So you keep the 6, and you look at these two pieces, and you say, what can I take out? I can take an x out. You're left with x plus 2. And then the next one, I would just write x plus 2 because I want it to be there, and I would say 2 times what is 8, so 2 times 4. Double check that that works by double checking my multiplication. That's 4x plus 8, since that works, and that's where we started. That's awesome. And these match, so now you are obligated as one of my students to go, woo! And then you're going to write 6x plus 2, x plus 4, and you have finished that problem. That's it. That's all you had to do. So we'll do one more, the 3n plus 17n minus 90. So 3n plus 17n minus 90. Once again, we're going to multiply the first and the last. That's negative 270n squared. And then we're also going to write down 17n. Now I'm just going to write down numbers that multiply to 270. I don't know them all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 270 divided by 1. I'm going to do 270 divided by 2. So 270 divided by 2, that's 135. And then 270 divided by 3 is going to be 90. 270 divided by 4, that's, oh, I can't do that. That's 67.5, so I can't do that. 270 divided by 5 is 54. 270 divided by 6, this is a tough one because there's a lot of factors. 6 and 45. 270 divided by 7, well, let's see, does that work? Oh, that got me 38 point something, so that wasn't right. Divided by 8, oh, that doesn't work. 270 divided by 9, ooh, 9 and 30. So 9 and 30. And 270 divided by 10 is 27, so I can do that. I'm going to put that, can I get myself more room? Yes, okay. So 270 divided by 10 is 10 and 27. 270 divided by 11 didn't work. 12 didn't work. 13 didn't work. 14 didn't work. 15, so 270 divided by 15 is 18. Okay, I listed them all. Whew. Now, I need to multiply to negative 270 and add to 17. So I'm looking at these, and I'm trying to figure out ones that I can get 17 from, and I see these ones. I want a positive 17 when I add, but when I multiply, I want to get a negative. So I'm going to make this one negative, because negative 10 plus 27 is 17. This was a tough one, because there were a lot of choices. So 3n squared minus 90. Split the middle term, negative 10n plus 27n. Do the first part, so n, 3n minus 10. And then assume you're going to have 3n minus 10 and say 10 times what is 90. Put a 9 there. Verify that that's 27n minus 90, which it is. So you're going to have 3n minus 10. Oh, I forgot to, since you're obligated, as my student, once you see those things are the same, you go, woo! So we got 3n minus 10, and then n plus 9.